Hi, my name is Rachel Ewens. I'm a mobile strategist and I run the app blog ladyapp.com. And we're going to talk about how to send a file via Gmail on your iPad. So, attaching a file for our Gmail on our iPad is a little bit different from our desktop. Unlike on our desktop where we would just attach the file, it's a bit more complex on iPad. So, the first thing you're going to need to do is actually have Gmail set up in your Mail app. This is your Mail app here. It's got the envelope on it. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to set up a whole Gmail account. I have mine set up already in here. Basically, you can just add a new mailbox and set up a new account. But from there, if you already have your Gmail set up, it's pretty easy. So first we're going to start with a photo file. So I'm going to go to my existing library of photos. This is a little sketch I did earlier, and I'm going to send it via Gmail. So in order to do that, I'm going to go up here at the top where I see a little box with an arrow coming out of it, and I'm going to say email photo. Now that's going to use my default email account, which is set to be my Gmail. So when I send this out, it will be from my Gmail account. It's the same for most other documents on an iPad, and I'll walk you through one more, and that's going to be a Pages document. Pages is a little bit like Microsoft Word. It's sort of the word processing app on iPad. I'm going to take a document that I've written, and then in order to share it out, I'm going to take the little wrench up here, and again, the box with the arrow coming out of it, share and print. I'm going to email that document. I can choose the format I want. For this purpose, we're just going to say PDF. And again, it's going to open up a email window. And when I send that, it will be as though it's from my Gmail account. So that's how to send a file via Gmail on your iPad.